Good evening, students. Today I want to discuss about the phenomena of diffraction and its effect, like resolution. What its effect on the resolution? So we discuss two things. One is diffraction, other is resolution, and then I want to discuss next point, how it affects, that is diffraction can affect the resolution. So when you study diffraction, then it is very simple. Definition of diffraction. Suppose this is the light source and light is collimated by the lens. Light is collimated by the lens. Collimated means the rays of light mix parallel with the help of lens. And this is the source S. So student, this is the slit A's, A, B and C. So when light beam is collimated, when light comes from the source S and incident on the lens L1 and it is collimated, means light rays becomes parallel to each other. Okay students? An incident on the slit, single slit. The point A and B is the A's of the slit. Then diffraction phenomena is observed. Normally all of you know, if this is the second lens, L2, convex lens L2, which converts the light on the screen which converts the light on the screen then this is not a phenomena of diffraction. Really, this is simply explain, this diagram simply explain there are two light, so there are two lenses, and S1 is the light source, and light is first collimated by the lens L1 and second it is just converged and it will focus at point P. This phenomena is not diffraction. But next point, you give focus at the point A and B. This is the A's of the slit. This is the A's of the slit. So diffraction phenomena is the bending of light or the light bends due to the secondary light source. Here the A's point A and B of the slit, single slit, behaves as the secondary light source. Primary light source is this. So if two light collimate, two light make interference, that is one light coming from here, that is from source, and this point A and point B behaves as the secondary source. So two light, one light is this, one light come from the secondary source, and other light is this. When these two light interfere with each other, then the interference pattern is obtained, and this interference pattern is called diffraction pattern. And this phenomena is called diffraction. That is, light not always travel in a straight line path. Light bends from its original path, that is a straight line path, due to the A's of the slit, where one light coming from source and other light secondary, the slit is behaves secondary source. So two light interfere with each other, then this will focus at point Q, and this phenomena is called diffraction. Diffraction means bending of light from the A's of the obstacle. Two light is here. At the A's, one light coming from S, and then it behaves as the source. So one light is this, and one light is incident on the A's A. Then this A's A behaves as the secondary source, and this is gives another light. So two light is here, two light rays are here, and these two light rays, as per the interference theory, interfere with each other, then image is formed, interference pattern is obtained at point Q, and this phenomena is called diffraction. Okay, so it is very clear, this is the phenomena of diffraction, and this is called angle of deviation. So as per the diffraction theory, for this triangle and this triangle, these two angles these two triangles, this angle is similar and equal. So this angle theta is calculated. If this point is N, then sine theta is equal to Bn by AB. Sine theta is equal to Bn by AB. And if theta is small, then sine theta can be written as theta, and if this length is approximately equal to lambda, then we can write lambda by d, where d is this length, that is the width of the aperture. Suppose this is the slit, then this width is called width of the slit, or it is also called aperture of the lens. So this is the required value of theta. This is called the angular width of the diffraction pattern, that is airy disk is obtained at this point. This can be written as this width is calculated as airy width, and this is called airy disk. And as per the criteria, for the resolution it is required, that is these 2 points, it's separately observed only and only when this theta must be approximately equal to 1.22 times of the lambda by d. This is equation number first, this is equation number second. Now I want to discuss how it is mathematically explained. Okay?